Hey guys, Vio here. Today I'm going to show you how I flip a sample from a sample pack called Alternative Hip Hop by Sample Magic. Shout out to Sample Magic. Now this is how it sounds like before. After listening to this sample, it reminds me of pH-1 because this kind of vibe reminds me of a song called Homebody. So let's make this beat based on this kind of vibe. First of all, let's mess with the BPM because this is kind of slow. The original BPM is around 85 and I changed it into 130. After that, I add a plugin called Box 2 and I add this filter. Now the following is the drums, the kicks, the hi-hat, the snare and snap. Now for the percussions, for me it adds groove to the beat, so these are the 4 sounds that I use. But I found that the first sound is quite annoying, so I tried to mute it and see how it goes. And it sounds nice without it. Now, before I go any further, I had this question in my mind: does this suit pH-1? But after a few minutes of thinking, I was like, screw this, let's finish the beat. I find the sound of the hi-hat is quite annoying, so I add some EQ and lower the high frequency. Time for the melody, I use a plugin called Modern Source. And I added some chord to the song. Arrangement, I turn off the Box plugin just to make the song feels like there's a lot of changes. For the verse 1, I minimize the kick to make it sound a little bit peaceful. For the melody in the chorus, I add an octave to make it sound full. Now before I forget, for the build up, I add some percussions and snare, and I add a riser and a hi-hat roll as well. Bridge. For the bridge part, I half-time the main sample and use the chord here. The outro is inspired by Billie Eilish Bad Guy. I want to make it completely different from the other part of the song, so I half-time the chord and I add some drums here. That's all. Please let me know, does it still have pH-1's vibe or other artists? Thanks for your time and I appreciate it. If you like this kind of content, please let me know. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!
Behold,